cover activity collection in Sirrus. First, let's begin by setting our grower, farm, and field filter to establish which fields we will be working with in activity collection. The grower, farm, and field filter establishes which fields you will have in your activity collection event. You may choose to work with an entire grower or farm, or you may work at an individual field level as well. Next, clicking the plus button in the lower left-hand corner will present the available activity types for collection. In this tutorial, I'm going to start with planting. Notice all of my fields within the grower are available since I set my filter to the grower level. To begin, I'm going to start by selecting all the fields I want to plant to corn. You may use the map or the list to select your fields. After selecting fields, I will use the pane on the right to select the crop, corn in this case. Since I know that I also want to apply a starter fertilizer when I plant my corn, I will go ahead and add a fertilizer to these fields as well. To do that, click the plus button in the upper right and select crop protection and fertilizer. Now select commercial fertilizer from the product type box, then select product and provide a rate. Now clicking apply will assign your crop and starter fertilizer to the selected fields. Next, I want to assign varieties on a field by field basis. You can do so by selecting the field of interest, then fill out variety on the right and click apply. Once you've collected all of the information you wish to collect, click save. Fill out the information on the save form and click save again. Your activities will automatically be synced to your AgX account. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos and visit proagrica.com for more information on our products.